Okay. Now answer the following questions. Each question has 4 choices. Okay. Each question will be given 4 choice, children. What is the full form of the MA? What is the full form of MA? Already we have done this in the unit 2, isn't it? What is the full form of MA? Master of Arts, Master of Assistant, Master in Arts, Master in Assistant. So which one is the correct answer, children? Master of Arts. Okay. Then what is the present name of Madras? What is the present name of Madras? Is it Chennapatnam or Chennai Central or Chennai or Chennakula Patnam? Yes, at present Madras is called as Chennai. So answer is Chennai. C.V. Raman became a member of the Indian Association for Dash. Culture of Science, Physical Science, Cultivation of Science, Communication Science. Which one? Cultivation of Science. Yes. The stringed musical instrument is. Which is the stringed musical instrument? Violin, harmonium, tabla, flute. Yes, violin. C.V. Raman was mainly interested in science of light, science of music, science of space or science of sound. Yes, he was mainly interested in science of sound. Okay, I'll ask you some questions, children. What did C.V. Raman began to write? C.V. Raman began to write research papers for science journals. When did C.V. Raman become a member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science? When C.V. Raman was only 19, he became a member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. Then, where did C.V. Raman take up the job? Yes, C.V. Raman took up the job in the Finance Ministry in Calcutta. What did C.V. Raman study? C.V. Raman studied how stringed instruments like the violin and the sitar would produce sound. What was C.V. Raman's parents' wish? Yes, their wish was to send him to the abroad for his higher studies. And here like this you can read the passages from the textbook, children. So from the passage you can answer the questions. Like one more is Raman was born in. Where did he was born, children? Is it in Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana or Tamil Nadu? Yes, Raman was born in Tamil Nadu. In which year did Raman become a member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science? In 1907. Which of the following is a non-stringed instrument? Violin, sitar, guitar, flute. Non-string. Okay, flute. Why did Raman spend his time after office hours in the lab? Because of his curiosity towards science, he used to spend hours together. After his job, he used to sit in the lab and work on this. Okay. Then a surgeon means who? A person who treats the medicines, or a person who treats the operations, or a person who treats with both medicine and operation, or none of the above. Yes, the answer is a person who treats with operations. And some more questions like Crompton effect was discovered by. Yes, that is A.H. Crompton. In which had Raman been doing research? Raman was doing research in what, children? In optics. For how many years had he been doing research? He was doing from past 5 years. Where did he announce his discovery? At Bengaluru. Okay. To whom did he announce his discovery? An assembly of scientists. So like lesson. Each paragraph, you will read one paragraph, you have to frame some questions from that paragraph and you answer to that. Even one word answers, one line answers also you can frame. Options, like objectives you can frame from the paragraph and question answers also. Each paragraph, every paragraph of the lesson you will read and you will test yourself. Self-assessment. You have to conduct assessment yourself. One paragraph, you only ask some questions. One word questions from that paragraph. After completing all the questions from that paragraph, you will go to next paragraph. Even there again you will put questions to yourself. You will ask questions to yourself. Frame your own questions and then you will answer. So like this the complete book you will do. Not only the lesson and the poems also which is there in the book, you will do everything like this children, so that you will be perfect in your lesson. Okay. So you can use the workbook. If you want, you can use the workbook. In workbook there is a plenty of grammar work which you have to do everything. If you have any doubts, you can call to school number children. I will clarify your doubt. So much of grammar work is there. And also one thing I would like to tell you about this editing children. Like the one paragraph will be given from the textbook. A small paragraph. In that some mistakes will be there. So you have to read that paragraph and find the mistakes and rewrite it, correct the mistakes. For example, C.V. Raman was the first Indian scholar who studied Holi in India and received the Nobel Prize. So in this, what is wrong in this children? 27. C.V. Raman was the first Indian scholar who studied Holi in India. You have to write like that. And the second one is was the first Asian and the first non-white to win such a great award. Third one in 1970 in November 21st. And the fourth one are with us. Fifth one, National Science Day to commemorate his remarkable achievement in science. So like this, sometimes he'll ask you to change the sentence, sometimes the spellings will be wrong, sometimes punctuation will be wrong, sometimes the grammar will be wrong, like vowels will be there and prepositions, much thing will be there. The grammar will be wrong. In the place of his, he might have written her, so you have to find out whether the speaker is his or her, and then you have to correct it. So editing will be in different way, different manner. All the editing will not be in the same way. And the major discourse about C.V. Raman was, what is his full name? Chandrasekhara Venkata Ramana. Born at Tiruvananthapuram near Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu on November 7, 1888. Parents, the second of 8 to Chandrasekhar and Parvati Amman. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics at AVN College in Vizag. Wife, Loka Sundari Amman. Children, Venkataramana, Radhakrishnan, Chandrasekhara Raman. Education, BSc and MSc at Presidency College, Chennai, 1907, University of Madras. And what are his achievements? Groundbreaking work in the field of light scattering. Books written, Why the Sky is Blue. Dr. C.V. Raman talks about science, the new physics. Contribution, cosmic radiation, vibration, whispering gallery, optics, Raman to the society effect, why is the sea blue? And what are the awards he received? Knight Bachelor in 1929, Nobel Prize in 1930, Bharat Ratna in 1954, Franklin Medal in 1941, Lenin Peace Prize in 1957. And the remarkable Raman effect. Indians celebrate February 28 as the National Science Day for tiring discovery in 1928. Died. He passed away on November 21st, 1970 at the age of 82 in Bangalore in Karnataka in India. Okay, this is about C.V. Raman, the major discourse. And you have to write about, by using all these clues, you have to write about biography of C.V. Raman. Okay, that you will do in the workbook. And write a letter to your friend describing the Independence Day celebration that took place in your school. You can choose hints like many villages attended prize distributions to the winners of various competitions, Sarpanch addressing, etc. You will write a letter. And then is minor discourse. Read the following conversation between Mahesh and Naveen and write a message for Anjali. Mahesh, hello, can I speak to Anjali? Naveen, I am sorry, Anjali has gone out. I am her friend Naveen. Can I take a message, please? Mahesh, hi, I am Mahesh speaking. I am Anjali's cousin from Chennai. Naveen, oh, hi, I watched the message. Mahesh, I just wanted to convey that Anjali's mother has taken the flight at 4:30 p.m. She will be reaching Hyderabad in an hour or so. Anjali should go to receive her. Then Naveen, okay, anything else? Mahesh says, no thanks, bye. So this you have to write it as a letter. Like for example, you will write the date 25th August 2001 and the time you will write 4:40 p.m. and Anjali, from Anjali. Because Anjali is not at home, Mahesh has received the call. So Mahesh has to leave a note to the Anjali saying what information he received from Naveen. So he has to write like this: Mahesh, your cousin from Chennai called up to say that your mother has taken the flight at 4:30 p.m. She will reach Hyderabad within an hour. She wants you to go and pick her from the airport. So this is what the message he will write and he will keep it there and he will go. So like this you have to write the message, children. And then one more is, your school is planning a 5-day excursion to Kanyakumari. As a school captain, write a notice, information the students about the fee and things to be carried. In the same way you will write the notice which you have to display in the school, like you are going to picnic for Kanyakumari for 5 days. What will be the fees and what all things they have to carry, all these things you will write a notice. Okay children, this is what the end of lesson unit 2. So you will have to do all the grammar work which is there in the workbook. So if you have any doubt, you can contact the school number. I will clarify your doubts. And see to that you have to finish your homework. So write the homework and send it to the school mail ID, that is myschoolmyhomework@gmail.com. Okay children.